Movies. I'll do a quick review after the movies, and I'll see you guys later. We got 2 inches of snow in my area. Winter is finally here. Go Bears! Later. The movie was freaking awesome. Holy cow! It was unbelievable. I love the poster. This movie was edge on my seat. Unbelievable. I really enjoyed this. I recommend you guys check this movie out. It's awesome. I love the poster. Don't you? Do you agree or disagree? This is the same guy who was in Batman. Christian Bale, I think, and Willie Harrelson was part of it. So it's a very, very good movie. I really enjoyed that. So it blew me out of the water. It was awesome. Unbelievable. So I give this movie 4 stars, and that's all I'm gonna say. Unbelievable. I might pick this up on Blu-ray. I'm not really too sure, so check this out. I can't really describe about the whole plot. So there's a lot of fighting in it, a lot of blood. It's very cool here. We got some snow. Yesterday, like 2 inches in my area. So that's about it for now. But later, I think I want to get up by D somewhere. Look at that awesome sandwich. Look at that. Yummy. Look at it. My dad have beer. And that's about it. I'm going to go chow down.
Among the league leaders with 15 picks, but their run defense over the last 6 games averaged 205 plus yards per game and just under 6 yards per carry. DeMarco Murray may be the best way to go.
The man.
Is there any best way to go? Well, they would Mike Shanahan
Look at that. Awesome.
Plus, I'm sure people will overreact to certain things.
Look at that.
An overreaction.
Jordan, I don't know if you can see that. Whatever.
Use Chase Freedom at
United Center in the old Chicago Stadium. Look at that, 64. Sorry, 62.
Check the halls and bring in the savings with our Radio Shack price match guarantee. Get great deals on the best brands at Radio Shack.
It's free suits free 2 days only at Joseph and Bank. Almost every suit, buy one, get free. Plus almost everything else in the store, buy one, get 2 free. That's any 2 for free. Plus get free.
Like a Soldier Field, hell yeah. Got some bears.
We challenge people across the country to learn guitar. They've got
Cool,
like hundreds of songs from so many bands. Lessons you can do on day 60.
Awesome. Check that out. How they did for Christmas. Unbelievable. Nice, huh? Very cool. Nice place. The food was awesome. I did myself had a great time. So hopefully everyone enjoyed the video. Later everyone. Go Bears.
A business relationship between quarterback and head coach. That was the relationship.